Hi friends, myself is a student of 9th class of SI International School. Today we are going to introduce our solar system. This is Sun. The Sun is a star. It gives us brightly and shiny ball of fire. It is made up of hot gases. The Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The life of the earth is not possible without Sun. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day. Now I would like to invite Keshvi Didi.
To all of you, myself Keshvi, student of 9th class of SR International School. Today I am stand here to tell you about our planet Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It is little bigger than the Earth's moon. It is the quickest planet to move around the sun. Its speed is approximately 1,12,000 mph and it move around the sun in 88 days. Now I would like to tell you about Venus. Venus is the second planet in our solar system and its gravity is 90% of the earth and its atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide.
Myself Dev, I read in 9th class of SR International School. Today I stand here to tell about you Earth. Earth is the third planet in the solar system from the sun, and we live in Earth because there we cannot live in another planet because there is the temperature of the Earth. There is a 20.1% oxygen and 78.9% nitrogen. Because this atmosphere cannot be found in other planets, so we can only live in Earth. There is 70% water on Earth, so it called water planet, and we cannot. There is no water on other planets. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi everyone, myself Vikram, a student of 9th class of SR International School. Today I am here to introduce you planet Mars. Mars is the fourth planet in our solar system, and it is also known as the red planet. The diameter of Mars is approx 6,792 kilometers, and it has temperature about -5 degrees Celsius, and it has two satellites named Phobos and Deimos. And now I introduce you planet Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet in our solar system. It is the giant planet in our solar system. It has 63 moons, and it is the largest planet in the solar system. Thank you very much.
Hi friends, myself I'm a student of 9th class of SR International School. I'll tell about you Saturn planet. Saturn is so beautiful. It is the second largest planet in the solar system. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun. The diameter of Saturn is 1,20,500 kilometers. There are large rings about Saturn. Saturn has 83 moons, and the distance of the Saturn from the Sun is 1.434 billion kilometers. It is shaded by Milky Way galaxy. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now I would like to invite Prince Billiam.
Now I am going to introduce the planet Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet in the solar system. It has 6 rings. It is the farthest planet in the whole solar system. It is named after the Roman god of the sea. It is also made up of the hydrogen, helium and the methane. Because of the presence of methane, its color is also blue. Thank you. Have a nice day.